Good morning, everybody. It is 6:30 a.m. here in Kuala Lumpur, and I'm on my way to the train station, to the KL train. It's an electric train that goes from here all the way to Georgetown in the province of Penang, and eventually the island of Penang in Malaysia. Let's go to the train station. The first step on my journey to Penang is to go to KL Central, and it's really easy. Oh, look at these breakfast delights. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Whoa, delicious.
What?
Delicious food, huh?
Yeah.
What is this?
This one cucur ikan bilis, fish.
Fish.
Yeah.
Thank you. It really is. I'm not going to eat yet, it's too early. Okay, so you go to KL Central, and it's really easy to get there by the metro. I only have to go one stop, thankfully, here from Chinatown to KL Central.
Attention! Smoking, eating, and drinking are not allowed inside the train and the station.
Alright, that's where I'm going, the KTM. And if you need to take the train, it's very easy to buy the ticket online. You just look for... I just googled train from Kuala Lumpur to Penang. I went to the official website. I can't remember what it's called, KTM. I think you don't need to go to Rome to Rio or any of those booking sites. You'll pay a little bit more if you use those, so just go direct. Look at all the busy Malaysians, or the Malay and the Indians and the Palestinians. I'm sure there's a few Palestinians here. Maybe there's a few North Vietnamese people kicking around. Maybe there's even some Egyptians. And that's what we're looking for if you have the ticket that I have, the KLIA Express, which I assume stands for Kuala Lumpur is awesome. The problem is all the coffee shops are closed, even though it's 7 a.m. because Malaysians love sleeping in. Except for Burger King. Burger King never closes. But yeah, for some reason, I asked, like, whenever I go for coffee in the morning, everything is closed until 9 a.m. And I asked some locals, why is everything closed? And they said, oh, Malaysians, we like staying up very late, 2, 3 a.m., and then we sleep in very late. Nothing wrong with that. Who doesn't love staying up and watching Tony Travels on YouTube until the wee hours of the morning? And I said, well, maybe you need an extra hour to sleep in because the mosques start singing at 6 a.m. every day. And it wakes everybody up. So they need that extra hour. But I'll find a coffee somewhere. Oh, there's McDonald's. Do you guys sing I'm Loving It in Malay? Da 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 da. I had to resort to this, guys. McDonald's coffee.
119.
That's me, thank you. Do, 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 do. Now the coffee shops are open at 7:30. Who opens at 7:30? Come on, Malaysia. Here's some local delights. What do we have here? A red bean bun, a pulut bun, and a butterfly bun. That was my nickname in high school. I'm looking at this breakfast here, these fried bihun sayam. Oh man, it looks good. And it's still warm. Like, that's like $1 That's like $1. Oh, I opened it, but I don't want to ruin my appetite because I really want to eat when I get the Penang. But it's still warm, guys. Oh, it looks good. Here we go. The ETS Kuala Lumpur to Buttersworth, and we are D. So on your ticket it says, "Hello, I'm in D." Oh, thank you. Terima kasih. Actually, saying thank you in Malaysia is the same as in Indonesia. So that's C. We need to find D. Nice comfy seats. It even has Wi-Fi, I hear. So the train ride is 4 hours. I'll see you in Buttersworth, and then we'll take a ferry over to Georgetown on the island of Penang, in the province of Penang. Butterworth, here we are. Let's take a look at Butterworth and find the ferry. Well, it's popping off at the Butterworth train station. Now we just have to get a ticket for the ferry. And I don't think it costs very much money. No more cash purchase. Okay, so I think you might have to use a credit card. One? Just one. Terima kasih. All right, here we go. Hello. So while I'm waiting, I might as well apologize to all of the Malaysians I offended with my last video, where I said Penang curry, the famous curry in Thailand, comes from Penang, Malaysia. I was wrong. It's not even spelt the same way. I also said that Malaysia used to be I also said that Malaysia used to be a colony of Denmark. It was a Dutch colony, which is the Netherlands. So I got that wrong. And I saw a security guard and I said that was a Malaysian cop when actually it was a security guard. Now, here's a tip for all of you YouTube viewing Malaysians. Read the comments first, because every day I'm getting 10 to 15 comments from annoyed Malaysians telling me, no, that's not a police officer, that's a security guard. I know. Trust me, I know. While we're waiting, we can look at the history of the Penang ferry. Yes. Let's see, the ferry in 1929, 1938, oh, 1893. Look at that little thing. In 1925. Okay, the ferry's moving. Me and my new Japanese friends. It's our first time to Penang, the same as me. Do you think maybe this is that our boat? This one? Looks like a garbage boat. Alright, finally. Almost there. And I can see in the distance, Penang! Georgetown, it's called. The secret is when you get on a boat, you gotta rush to the seat, otherwise you're standing the whole trip. Nice travelers finish last. Use your elbows, it's okay. I wonder if there's a rooftop. We'll be lucky to get a seat. Okay, okay. Guess I'll share with this guy. All right, Georgetown, let's take a look. Oh, I can't go over there? I want to look at the cruise ship. Okay. They gave me permission to take a picture of the cruise ship over here. Celebrity Millennium. Maybe that's what I'll do. Tony travels on a cruise ship where I can play blackjack and drink rum with the elderly. Look at that. Georgetown. Okay, everybody, that's the end of today's video. The journey from Kuala Lumpur to Penang. If you want to see Penang and Georgetown, check out my next video. Terima kasih.